France is staking its claim in the medium-altitude, long-endurance, mail drone arena with the ENBATA reconnaissance UAV, developed by Aura AERO in collaboration with Thales, Safran and ARÉSIA. Named after the Basque word for gust before the storm, ENBATA combines modular design, hybrid electric propulsion and multi-role flexibility to deliver up to 55 hours of continuous flight without landing. With a maximum takeoff weight of 2,000 kilograms and the ability to carry up to 1,000 kilograms of sensors or mission equipment, this platform excels at persistent intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR, electronic warfare and data relay operations over 2 to 3 days straight. Certified under both EASA civil standards and French military requirements, ENBATA is equally at home on environmental and maritime monitoring or forest fire detection missions as it is conducting signals intelligence, radar surveillance or electronic attack for defense forces. Its modular architecture lets operators swap in electro-optical payloads, synthetic aperture radars, satellite communications antennas or radio signal intercept modules in minutes, embracing the industry trend toward versatile, multi-mission UAVs rather than single-task designs. At the heart of ENBATA is a hybrid electric propulsion system derived from Aura AERO's regional aircraft innovations. A combustion engine drives a generator that powers electric motors on the propellers. This configuration lowers acoustic and thermal signatures, boosts fuel efficiency and even allows brief battery-only flight for stealthy approaches or emergency redundancy. Because every component is sourced from European suppliers and free of US-controlled ITAR parts, ENBATA can be exported without restrictive licensing, a critical advantage amid today's shifting geopolitics and sanctions regimes. Weighing in at 2,000 kilograms at takeoff, cruising between 7,500 and 9,000 meters, the drone's hybrid electric unit slashes operational costs while its secure satellite and line-of-sight communications ensure uninterrupted command and control.